All right, so the OSI model is basically a 7-layer way to describe how data moves across a network. It's not a strict blueprint of the internet, but it's super useful for understanding and troubleshooting. When something breaks, you ask which layer is the problem.
7 layers? Fantastic. A system with more levels than my plans for world domination. Proceed, Brian.
So it's like a 7-layer dip, but for the internet? Because I already like this.
Layer 1, physical. This is the actual transmission of raw bits, 1S and 0S over a medium. Think cables, fiber, radio waves, Wi-Fi, connectors, voltage levels, signal timing. If a cable is unplugged or the Wi-Fi signal is dead, it's often a layer 1 issue.
So layer 1 is literally, is it plugged in? I'm basically certified.
Layer 2, data link. This handles communication on the local network segment. It packages bits into frames, uses MAC addresses, and does basic error detection. Ethernet switches and Wi-Fi access behavior largely live here. Examples, Ethernet 802.11 Wi-Fi.
Ah, yes, the layer where tiny machines politely whisper, "Who has this MAC address?" and then immediately judge you for it.
Layer 3, network. This is where routing happens between different networks using logical addressing, primarily IP addresses. Routers operate here, deciding how packets travel from one network to another. Example, IP.
So this is the part where my data gets a little GPS and drives around until it finds the right house.
Layer 4, transport. This provides end-to-end delivery between two hosts and manages reliability, ordering, and flow control. TCP is reliable, retransmits, keeps order. UDP is faster and simpler but doesn't guarantee delivery. Common for streaming/voice/gaming.
TCP sounds like Lois. Did you get it? Are you sure you got it? Say it back to me.
Layer 5, session. This establishes, manages, and terminates sessions, ongoing dialogues between applications. It's about keeping a conversation organized, who's talking, when it starts, ends, resuming if needed.
So it's the layer that keeps everyone from talking over each other, which our family has never once used.
Layer 6, presentation. This is data formatting and translation, making sure both sides interpret the data the same way. It also commonly includes encryption, decryption, and compression. Examples in practice, TLS encryption, character encoding like UTF-8, compression formats.
Ah, the make it readable layer, and the hide it from weirdos layer. I approve.
Layer 7, application. This is the layer closest to the user network services your apps actually use. Examples include HTTPS, web, DNS, name lookups, SMTP, SCSI, IMAP, email. When you open a website or an app talks over the internet, it's using layer 7 protocols.
So when my internet's broken, I just yell, which layer is it? And then I eat a sandwich?
You can yell if you want, but the idea is check from the bottom up. If there's no signal, it's physical. If Wi-Fi is connected but nothing routes, it might be network. If the site won't load but everything else works, it might be application. OSI gives you a clean checklist for isolating the failure.
Victory is mine. I now understand the 7 layers and still find humanity's networking choices deeply disappointing.